Hi, welcome back to HIWIN Scara Robot Tutorial 7. Today I am going to explain planes and software limits. We have two types of planes, which are the base plane and the tool plane. They are different. The primary purpose of the base plane is to avoid reteaching of the position. If you have a set of points already defined in the workshop and required to transfer to customer's site without repeating the teaching process, you will need a reference base plane. On the other hand, tool planes offset flange TCP to the gripper TCP, increasing the flexibility of the robot's maneuver during the setup. In welding or gluing application, tool planes can help to maintain the constant speed for better performance. We can use 3 points formation and value entry for the definition. Next, we have the software limits. It's a built-in function without an external sensor. Before issuing an alarm and stopping the movement, the user must define the joint or Cartesian limit and save it. Let's look at the demonstration. Let me set up the base plane 200 mm away from the origin. Next, software limit at A2, -110 degrees, then save it. The first run uses base plane 0. Then I will use I/O to switch to base plane 1. Notice the differences. Now I will enable the software limit. For plane 0, the movement is within the limit, hence no alarm trigger. Once I switch to plane 1, the alarm occurred. You can download the program code in the description below. In the following video, we will discuss interrupt and alarm functions. Thanks for watching.